Hi, in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter at home. You'll just need one ingredient, which are peanuts. If you're baking or roasting your own peanuts, just make sure they are well done. You know this when the skin easily comes off. You also want to ensure that your peanuts are between warm and hot because that heat will help the oils in the peanut extract better when we get to grinding. The next step, you want to fill up your grinder to the brim, and then we are going to proceed and start grinding. Remember, when you start grinding, the peanuts will turn into a powder, but not to worry. We don't need a powder, we need the peanut butter. So we are going to continue grinding our peanuts for between 5 and 10 minutes. Make sure you're using a high-speed blender because that will help extract the oils and merge the solids and the oils so that you get your peanut butter. And from time to time, you would need to push the content of the grinds in the middle because while you're grinding, they stick to the sides, to the walls. So you'll just need to push them back down using a spoon. And then we will continue grinding at high speed until you have achieved the right consistency of peanut butter that you need. Against common belief, I had thought that peanut butter requires extra oils, but you don't need any oil while you're making peanut butter. The peanuts have enough oils in them. The only thing that you might need to add, which is optional, is salt. But you don't need to add any vegetable oil or any olive oil. Just the peanuts themselves will be enough for you to achieve the right consistency of peanut butter. So this recipe doesn't include any preservatives, does not include any artificial additives at all. And once you're done with your peanut butter, you can store it at room temperature for 2 to 3 weeks. Ensure that you store it in a dark place, away from humidity, and when you're accessing your peanut, just make sure you're using a clean spoon or a clean butter knife to scoop your peanut. Alternatively, you can also store it in your fridge. That will last anywhere between 3 to 4 months. That is if you need to store it for a longer period. But how I prefer to do it is you can be making it in small batches as you need the peanut. At this stage, if you look at the video, you can see now it has started turning in small balls. When we get to this point, then this indicates that our peanut butter has started to form. Continue grinding it at high speed. This will ensure that the peanut breaks down even further to a slimier, a spreadable consistency that will be enough for you to easily spread on your bread, on your pastries, on your cake, or even to add in your porridge. And at this stage, I think the first batch of my peanut butter is ready. So I'm just going to open it up and check if it has gotten to the right consistency that I require. If not, then you just continue blending. And this should be enough. This should work for me. I intend to apply my peanut butter on bread or just eat it as is. So go ahead and transfer it to a clean jar and ensure that it has a lid. You need to store it in an airtight container. So I went ahead and prepared another batch of peanut butter. just so that I have almost a full jar of peanut butter. And what I realized about peanut butter, against popular belief, is that peanut butter does not need any extra sugar because peanuts have sugar in them. That is the second thing that really surprised me. The first one was that peanut has its own oil. And finally, the best part is trying our peanut butter on bread. So let's see whether it spreads as good. And sure enough, my peanut butter spreads very well. This is better than store-bought peanut butter. So my hope is that you learned something today about making peanut butter at home using just one ingredient. And my hope is that you're going to try your own recipe of making peanut butter, and you're going to share also other ways that other recipes of making peanut butter. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.